Yeah, it's different conditions. Obviously, it was much faster here than in Australia. We had much longer rallies. It was much more intense physically. Today, okay, it was humid, but the rallies were never as long. I mean, he was also getting a few more service winners than he was getting at the Australian Open. So it was more of a first strike tennis, and I think I'm just a bit better at it still today. And I was able to mix it up well and not have too many hiccups on my own serve, and then I was able to create some opportunities and take advantage of that and get the win. Well, I mean, he had opportunities, some of them, you know. I think he had love 30 the first game to come back after being broken. He had a good spell, I think, in the second set on his serving. Even the last game holding, he held that to love and served well. So I never felt that was quite through until the match was over, because he is a good return player. He anticipates extremely well, and he can make it hard for you and make you nervous. So I mentioned the other day, the scoring system in tennis is such that you're never really safe. But overall, you know, I definitely felt in control today, but not as much today as against Bogomolov, where I thought I had even more of a cushion. Find out. I would think he likes this kind of surface and conditions. So do I. So I think it's a good place to play, John.